Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you some simple and the main interface of OBS Studio. I'll show you every single option of OBS Studio, how you can use this, how much it is easy and how complex it looks. It's not very tough to use. It's pretty much easy. It looks like Premiere Pro. As we open Premiere Pro, and you will see a very complex kind of screen, and we suddenly get astonished that what the heck is this, man? How complex this software is, and how I'm going to use this. But when we start using that, we don't even bother ourselves in thinking that the Premiere Pro was once upon a time. I opened Premiere Pro and that was pretty much difficult to work. It's not that, man. It's upon you. These things are according to you, as you take them, as you understand them. So let's go to the screen. I'll show you every option of that. Okay, as you can see that I'm recording through OBS Studio. Now let's first of all just understand what OBS Studio is, and let's go through its all of the options. Okay, I'll show you from this side. Scenes mean a full complete screen of yours which you want to capture. This full screen, as you can see, this scene contains my display capture, my mic capture, as well as my camera capture. This is called a screen, a complete scene. And here, okay, my recording is going on, it's not stopping. You can see I'll create a scene for you, for you. Okay, and this is the sources mean things you want to display in your videos. Which things you want to display in your videos? You want to do a face cam, you want to add your audio, you want to add some external mic, you want to add some local music, you want to add some local videos. It's upon you. You can add every single thing from the sources tab. Click on the plus and you will select everything which you want to add in this section. I have added already three, and I have added these three from all of these options. You can see this is the audio input capture, this is the video capture, and this is the display capture. I have already added things. In the next video I'll show you that how you can add them and how you can set them, because each of these option needs random customization, needs specific customization. There's no random thing. This is the audio mixer. This is actually the voice coming from yourself, from your system, from your local files, from all of the things you have added in the OBS Studio. So you can see now I have four sources of audio. The first one is my external mic, this one, this golden duck. Second one is desktop audio. Every single thing which is playing some kind of audio, which have some sound, it will capture that audio. Now you can see that there is nothing in my PC right now running, and that's why the desktop audio is 0. Okay, the mix aux cable means that my PC which is laid here, it also have a dedicated mic inside it. So I will, whenever I will say something, it will also capture, but I don't want to capture its the audio coming for the audio going into my computer, because its quality is not so good. That's why I'm using an external mic which is on the first one. And the last but not the least, video capture device means my camera on which I am recording right now, it also captures some video. If I will enable it, it will also capture some audio from me. It will use my voice, and it will use the embedded camera or embedded mic of my mobile, and it will capture all of the audio which is coming from myself and going into the camera. That's why I need some good quality of audio. That's why I'm using an external mic. Okay, now let's jump to the scene transition. Scene transition is always used whenever you have two files to do, when you have some local files added, when you have already recorded video and you want to change. I have two recordings. The one is 3 minutes and the second one is about 4 minutes. And when the third 3 minutes occupying video will end and the 4 minute occupying video will start, there will be a jump shift from one video to the second video, and we will define how the jump shift will be. Maybe it's some kind of random, maybe it's some kind of flicker, maybe some kind of faded. It's upon us. And here are all of the transition. Oh my, holy crap, they have just given us two transitions, so we can also add some more transitions here, and it's upon us. These are the things actually you are going to use in your OBS studio. It's not that hard, it's not that difficult. It's upon you. Just some of the things, remind them, and go to your PC and start using OBS studio. It's very good, brothers. It's very great, and it's quite good in your streaming, and it's quite good in recording. For how much time you will use the Windows embedded video capture? For how much time? How many times you will record something on your camera, then moving your files onto your PC and then attaching them in Premiere Pro or Wondershare Filmora? For how much time? Come on, you need to upgrade yourself. I hope this video was beneficial for you. If so, then like the video, subscribe my channel, post some kind of good comments, and share the video. I'll meet you in the next video. Thanks for watching.